Okay guys, I'm actually doing a late night shot tonight. It's currently coming up to 20 minutes past 10. I'm at Northfields station, and I'm about to ride. Where's my brain gone today? I'm going to be doing a little bit of train spotting out here tonight. Sadly, we won't be getting any tones tonight because there's people sleeping in these houses. So, may as well have to. Our first train. The first train that's just arrived is going to Cockfosters. I was going to be doing Hounslow West tonight, but I lost track of time, so I thought I'd film some trains here. I literally just come from my swimming session at Finchley Lauder Leisure Centre, and then had to wait 5 minutes for a bus, and so I thought that if I'd train spot here, it would be better. Well, what I meant to say is that I thought it would be better to train spot here and then go to Hounslow West another time. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be a Piccadilly line service to Heathrow Terminal 4. Did the driver just hoot? He shouldn't be hooting at this time though. But if he did, well, thank you anyway. Okay, off goes the Piccadilly line service to Heathrow Terminal 4. One really cool thing about this station is that it actually reminds me a little bit, just a little bit of Finchley Road Station, because it's got the 4 platforms and yeah. Sorry, I've forgotten what else I was going to say, but. Well, I never actually filmed here before. I'm on my own for tonight, guys. I can hear the sound of some aeroplanes taking off. But sadly, we won't be seeing any of them tonight, as this is due to the lack of time. I may have to switch over to platforms 3 and 4, and then catch the last train home. Oh, it depends on the lack of time I have. Arriving now, we have a. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be a Piccadilly line service to Arnos Grove. And she's come from... Where's she come from? She's come from Terminal 4. And she comes nice and steadily. Okay, departing for Arnos Grove is the Piccadilly line service from Heathrow Terminal 4. Okay, we've got a crossover. a Piccadilly line service going to Cockfosters, and another Piccadilly line service going to Heathrow Terminal 5. It has actually been a while since I last got some nighttime shots. The driver looks very focused. Okay, departing for Cockfosters. And departing behind me is the Piccadilly line service to Heathrow Terminal 5. Right, I'm now going to get onto platforms 2 and 3 and get a couple more and then wrap up and go home. Okay, so I'm now switching over to platforms 3 and 4. Just spoken to the lovely member of staff, and he said that's fine. I can catch a couple more trains and while I'm out here, and then wrap up. Okay, so this one is definitely going directly to Cockfosters. It's nice and cool out here. Oh, I like the look of the garden just over here. Oh, we have something arriving. We got a terminal. Driver's on the phone. I actually thought it was going to be a heat wave this week, but no, it wasn't. No, it's not. It might get hot on Friday, according to the weather forecast. Maybe I did get it wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna. Okay, so I'm. Oh my God, I've lost my words. Okay, final train of the video. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, like, comment, share and subscribe. The next stop is definitely going to be Hounslow West. I will have to come back here with Andrew and try and get a daytime shot of this another time. Speaking of which, Andrew, David and Jacob are due to appear in court tomorrow morning at 10 AM as I've just been given the heads up. It's in regards to the incident that happened at Hadley Wood Station from about a couple of months ago. Hey driver! Yeah. Okay, so I'm just wrapping it up. I've just got on the train. I'm about to well, I've already said it. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications, like, comment, share and subscribe. The next stop, once again, is definitely going to be Hounslow West, and that will be followed on by, oh my God, Kentish Town, which is set to close on the 26th of June, and maybe Hampstead. I'm not too sure yet. I'll let you know. You take care of yourselves, and good night.